Hello, this is Nazanin, also known as Little Cutie on my Anime List website. This is my third time participating in bunkasai event and second time for low budget voice acting school. In this video, we're gonna work on this event so we can get both of the tickets, the one from admitting and the other one that is called mini certificate. I'm sorry if there's not much interesting visual in this video. I was really busy with my other videos, so just bear with me. If you ask me why I decided to make this video public, then I guess the confidence comes from me making gaming videos for Siege every day for the past 250 days. But I guess it's more because the first time I did it had some difficulties, like understanding what to do. So this time I decided to beside making the voices, I would post it as a video, so I can send it for the event, of course, but anyone that has any issue with it can use it as well. I hope it can help you. I'm just giving you some examples of what I did, and you can just get some ideas about what to do, and it's more like just being creative and having some fun, I guess. So let's start. Assignment 1, new character. As long as I know, you have to make a new character, name it, explain about the character, like talk a little, just show the listener that what character you're trying to do the voice, and it's more like an introduction, I would say. But it doesn't need to be any introduction or so. You just have to talk as a new person that is your character. Name it. I guess that's important. And here is what I did for this level. I don't know if it's right because I'm still making the video and I still didn't send it, but listen to it. People are so predictable, especially those who think they know everything. Those who think they're clever. They speak mostly to cover their ignorance. They chatter, fill the silence, trying to be heard, and yet, just one pause, one subtle hesitation, and their foolishness is revealed. But silence whispers louder than their words ever could. Sometimes they ask, Clarice, why are you smiling? Well, it's because they're amusing, that's all. They won't forget it. Yeah, people like me. Because deep inside, they see it. They know I'm different, and they know they like it. And you can hear it. Every pause, every tremor, every half-truth. No one slips past me. And if fate drags me into their chaos, I'll handle it. Quietly, perfectly, like I always do. Assignment 2, new script. For this one, you have to make a storyboard or just use one of the options, A or B, that the forum gave to you. I used the second one because the first one was a bit confusing for me. In my storyboard, my B character is more like one of those people that likes to protect others and like they have a stronger personality, I would say. Oh, smoke here? Something's not right. Stay alert. I don't like this. Wait, is that... He shouldn't be here. Back! Everyone stay back! Oh, don't struggle. You only make it worse. What's going on? Everyone move! Get out now! And explosion. Should I make that sound too? Okay, don't be scared, but assignment 3 is new opening or ending. They gave us 2 tracks. And we can choose between one of them and we need to sing on top of it. So we need to write a song. Dude, people get paid for this. I chose track A because it has guitar and I like the energy. But track B also reminds me of Shadow House. I don't know, maybe it's the same. I don't know. And I still didn't write anything, but I'll work on it and then I play it for you. Dude, it's gonna be so hard. Okay, for this one, you simply just have to do the acting. You either have to choose character A or B, or you can just do both. Well, if you have enough time. Or you can just write a new scene. I decided to just do one of the characters. I'm also gonna ask a friend to help me. I guess he's gonna post this for himself as well. So, we'll see.
You're not getting away.
But I am.
Oh, no, you don't. Barrier.
What?
Didn't do your research, huh?
Okay, last one was terrible, but now we have assignment 5, game lines. This is gonna be the exciting part for me. I'm gonna be so good at this. I play games, I'm a gamer, so it's gonna be good. I've always been interested in Apex voice lines and I always like repeat them when they say it, but never tried like punching sound and stuff. But they asked me to make it here, so let's go. For the ability name also, I used to love LNP, Love and Peace in Wildcard. It was so cool. You're talented as a punching bag. Feeling hurt? Is that all you got? You are going to pay for that. Ooh, we're having a quality time over here. If only I could have had a glass of fresh blood. You're making me tired doing all the job myself. Can't you help? Aw, don't look so sad. You've been looking good on your knees anyways. My grace has been fallen. Feel my judgment. Afghar devil. کدومو ترجیح میدی؟ Okay, here is the last part. Don't let the title fool you. It's just trailer. Not making a trailer, but you just have to be the narrator. So in short, you just have to be the voiceover on the text they gave to us, or just write one yourself and like not do the voice part. Well, of course this video is about doing the voice, so do it, okay? It's really easy. Magic has been a secret within our world for as long as humanity has walked the earth. This secret has been known only to those who knew where to look. However, such power often brought demise until finally humanity found a way. For better or for worse. Time between August the anime. Get it on DVD. No streaming available. And here it is. That's everything we needed to do for this event. And I think it was fun. I'm gonna be honest. It took a lot of time for me. I think my favorite part was the voice acting for the game lines. The trailer one was really good. And the one I hated was the one with opium ending because I'm not really good at writing songs and it was horrible. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. If you had any questions, feel free to ask me. Take care. Bye bye. Dude, I feel I sound way better in the ending than the other parts I'm supposed to be good at.